Namo Buddhaya to all Dhamma friends around the world. I am Mr. Sudip Chakma, coordinator of Mahabodhi Buddhist Temple Construction Projects and also Mahabodhi Residential School Tuition. I am in a mission to build a Dhamma community by building a Buddhist temple Vihara at Tuition in Lungli district, southern Mizoram, India. I strongly believe that a true Dhamma community where each and every member will be responsible, take care of each and practice of the Buddha, Dhamma, and the Sangha. The Sangha provides the core leadership and vision for its development and working. The community of monks, teachers, students, elderly, staff, and guests all have equal access to the timeless and life-changing teachings of the Buddha. Well, the villagers are from below poverty line family, which we call in short BPL families, and they are unable to contribute more funds as per the requirements of the estimated budget we have made. So I have personally taken the responsibility of my own moral conduct to reach out with outside Dhamma friends around the world with the hope to collect donation for building this vihara for the purpose of propagation, preservation, and protection of Buddhism over here in Tuition village. This Buddhist temple shall be benefited for the students of Mahabodhi Besides, this Buddhist temple shall be benefited for the students of Mahabodhi Buddhist Mission School in the neighboring villages. Meditation will be introduced to all students and staff of Mahabodhi Vihara, and if any people comes here, any devotees comes here, they also get same facilities. Mahabodhi School, our students learn to be responsible for their own growth and understand their roles in shaping the future of their family, school, community, and nation. I believe all the students and their staff will receive one moral from this vihara. Everyone will be sensitive to all kinds of sufferings and others for receiving the noble teachings of the Buddha through this vihara. So that I request all my Dhamma friends around the